Captain Meriwether Lewis. Is it a dredger? Or, I don't know. Looks like an industrial boat of some sort. A paddle wheeler? Old paddle wheeler? It's decommissioned, that's for sure. These little towns might be the ideal place to come in for shopping. I might have to bear that in mind. Because there's a boat ramp back there and I can see some buildings just 100 yards away. Looks like Main Street. Bet you there's a grocery store. Or something. Probably a Dollar General right down the road. And some of them I could probably walk my kayak up. You know, around there someplace to something and just run into town real quick. Yeah, here I go. Because then, you know, it's just leave everything on there. Just run in, go to the store, and run back and just, you know. Because I lost my kayak last time because I had it hidden. Of course, I don't know. It's just, you're going to have to think about stuff like that. I left it locked to the boat dock over there in Plattsmouth when Kevin gave me a ride to the store and bought my groceries. I'm not going to stop talking about that. I wonder what the deal with this place is. It's floating for some reason. Is it a casino? Got it on the river where they can gamble? The hotel? What is it? I don't know. Looks like a hotel. It's a motel. A motel. Can't be a motel. Huh. Interesting. Spirit of Brownville.